I'm Sakshi and I've been a software engineer at PayPal for more than 4 years now. I work with the behavior analytics platform at PayPal. This was actually my first talk at the conference. So I remember when the first time I came to GIDS and I was straight out of college and I joined PayPal and I saw all the presenters. I spoke to a lot of people like Scott Davis. I have been attending, so last year I attended a workshop on cloud native architecture as well, and I always used to feel like, yeah, this is something I would also someday want to share my experience on things that I've been working on or I've learned with developers in this forum as well. So I think doing that today felt really good. So yeah. So I really had a great time, talking and sharing my experience at this conference. I've been attending GIDS for some 3 years now, and I was very excited presenting today what I do in my day-to-day engineering activities as such. And I'm really glad that we have such forums where all developers and all of us can come together and basically discuss our learnings from our own experiences, learn from each other, share our experiences, and basically hone skills in which we don't have much experience in, learn from each other, work on things together. So yeah, I think it's a very great forum where we have different people coming from different organizations, institutions as well, and yeah, it provides a good forum to learn from each other. Yes, I'll definitely be here. I've been here for the past 3 years. I'll be here definitely next